Hello everyone and welcome to the English DeFiChain news show of 21 July 2025. This news show will provide each week all news and update regarding the DeFiChain project. Follow this channel to keep up to date with all news. And now see the headline for tonight. Tonight we talk about July voting result on DeFiChain, discussion of DeFiChain Tokenomics, DeFi MetaChain update, notable mention, and future date. Greeting to the international community following this new show. I hope you like this, and let's start with the first news. July voting result on DeFiChain. Voting for proposal in this cycle of DeFiChain has ended last 15 July. I'm talking about the proposal listing of new wrapped crypto token on the native side of DeFiChain. This proposal outlines a simplified process for adding new decentralized asset token DATS to the DeFiChain network. The goal is to enable smooth integration of wrapped crypto asset with the new Interchain infrastructure development by Crypto Factor, with easy asset transfer between chain and interoperability. With the integration of support of the DeFi MetaChain, user will be able to move assets between DeFiChain and other blockchain like Partisia blockchain and Polygon blockchain. This decentralized process is managed by Crypto Factor and ensures that token wrapper maintain value and usability on both blockchain, providing access to assets in real time. This DFIP proposal listing three new tokens. DMPC is the wrapped token of Partisia MPC, listing DPOL, that is the token of Polygon blockchain POL, and new D-stable is a stable coin, for example USDT or USDC. Over the past few weeks, I have been able in this new show to analyze and share with all of you this proposal, with also help of DeFiChain blog website. The community was able to participate in the voting with the masternode and on-chain governance. This vote came through the masternode, and they are key part of DeFiChain. The masternode can be created and managed directly by user, but this solution requires skill and experience in the custody of private key. Private key are the only way to access to blockchain, and DeFiChain, as you know, is a decentralized blockchain where you have to take care to guard the private key. Thanks with the Crypto Factor, with the app on DeFi MetaChain, even less experienced user can participate with the token CDFI staking on the governance. This solution is simplest and easy to use. More vote also coming through bake up for user that staking DFI. With all vote, now we can analyze the result, and with the page of Defiscan.live, I share the result of vote on blockchain. I share my screen. Okay, this is the page of Defiscan.live about this proposal, and this proposal have received 688 vote yes, 39 vote no, negative, and 8 vote neutral. As the result, with more than 85% of the vote yes, this proposal was approved by community. The next step is now to program the smart contract for DeFi metachain, and this smart contract should provide the liquidity pool with the new token pair, and make that DeFi metachain part externally again accessible. Okay, return again with my screen. Okay, and for user that want to learn more about this proposal, I remind that you can find the link of Reddit discussion available on the note of this new show. Okay. Now the second news is about discussion of DeFiChain Tokenomics. A discussion dedicated to DeFiChain Tokenomics has been going on the DeFiChain Future Telegram chat for several weeks now, also on July. The goal is on the chat is to keep the focus toward this topic and leave out all discussion that concern past choice and decision on the focus toward DeFiChain future. For all other discussion, it's better to use another chat called DeFiChain Hyde Park, but this chat currently is used by few users. Returning to the main topic is DeFiChain Tokenomics. The document produced by this discussion has been updated. At the moment we have last updated, dated 11 July. You can find in this new show the link to join to DeFiChain Future Telegram chat, and also the link for download last update of the document produced by community. So with this document you can better understand what model of tokenomics want to use for DeFiChain. Okay, every week I update with all news about DeFi metachain. The DeFi metachain is open to everyone with the skill about smart contract can build on it. These are not financial advice, but simply are the news regarding the active project on DeFi metachain. This week I'm telling you about news of the project Crypto Factor Interchain. With a message published on social channel, Crypto Factor Labs announced to go ahead for Interchain Testnet, which is now up and running. After 2 weeks of intensive stress testing of the Interchain consensus on the development network DevNet, the team successfully set up the optimal blockchain parameters for the public testnet, and now the team also conducted extensive testing of the risk module and are almost ready for upcoming mainnet release. The public testnet is now running with a blockchain speed of 30 minutes. Also in this release, the team also have announced to add the Polygon POS as an Interchain supported blockchain. Amoy is now fully working partial chain with the Interchain. Although there is currently missing CPOL as a gas transfer token, which will be added later. So on, the Crypto Factor Labs update all the app, and Crypto Factor holder will be able to move asset from Testnet network to DeFiChain on Amoy blockchain. Also, user will be able to use a quick swap. And now everyone asking when will be active the mainnet. The answer is that team will be release beta version of mainnet after completing the all tasks necessary to move from testnet to the mainnet. There are some critical tasks. Is about optimize block mining cost, review the bridge user interface and smart contract with the last consensus changes, perform stress test on Amoy deployment, and run security test on the testnet. Of course, I'm ready to keep you update on this. Sure, we are very close to the mainnet that will coming very soon. And you can find on this new show the link of a post published from Crypto Factor Labs on Twitter. Okay, and every week also I update all users about message coming from chat or coming from discussion about DeFiChain with this notable mention. This week I will talk about a message published on DeFiChain future chat from Hulix. Hulix expressing that they want coming week to focus time to DeFiChain issue. The key area is to focus in the coming weeks. There's discussion of tokenomics, status of on-chain developer, ecosystem overview and roadmap, follow up with Bake, roadmap of Crypto Factor, potential area to take over from DeFiChain Labs, and next post with on Reddit. I'm ready to publish and share this post. I'm waiting you, Hulix, and active that they are on progress, is about Light Wallet Restore, the token division, maintenance, and crypto token wrapped, and a personal note. Hulix expressed that right now this effort may seem centralized. He say on a message that ideally we would have more distributed resources to share the load, but in the current situation I will simply do my best with the help of others and support Hulix for this task. Help with this task, contact Hulix on Telegram, and I'm sure that any additional help is always welcome and appreciated. Okay, and now is time to say goodbye for the new show with the future date. For today, the new show has ended. Thank you for your attention. So we'll see you on next new show on 28 July 2025, where in this channel, please remind this date. Bye bye for now, and see you later. Bye. Ciao.